Exercise B says we should write the following using the percentage symbol, which we have done. 20 over 100 is said to be what? 20%. That's good. So this is 20%. B, 66 over 100 is said to be 66%. And C, 45 over 100 gives us 45%. While for D, we have 92%. E is 25%. Don't forget, they are said to be percentage because their denominators are said to be over 100. So this is equal to 26%. I have G to be 10%. H is equal to 90%. I gives us 65%, and 30 over 100 is said to be 30%. Remember, a percentage is a fraction whose denominator is said to be 100. Kindly like my videos as you watch. While I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand, while you share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our daily classes. We shall now take more exercises on percentages.